So I came last December, as you know. So I came from US. I was studying in high school over there. I came in 12th grade in the middle year. So it was kind of a scary moment for me. But as I came to Bhopal, because my relatives were here at that moment of time, and then I discovered EPS. My father was searching for schools, and we came across a board called IB Board, International Baccalaureate. And thankfully, there was EPS right inside Bhopal. So there was nothing better than it. So we decided to give it a visit. When we did that, we found out that it was a hard course, of course. It was almost as comparable to AP course. But the adaptation was made easier for me, even though it was a different faith, even though the school is secular, as it has to be. But the way my friends and my teachers accepted me into the community, the way the principal showed kindness to me, and the way the head of the director, they all took me in and described the IB course to me and led me through completing it in a successful way. I had a nice time here, and I definitely can say that coming to EPS as one of the best decisions of my life. I lived in US for the past 4 years, so I was kind of detached from the Indian culture of student life and student fun, I would say. But as I came back, I had really nice friends over here. I believe if I would have gone to any other school, even first thing, it would have been really hard for me to cope up with the curriculum and learn all the hard things because I'm in the STEM field. But as I came to EPS, the teachers took a great care and great acknowledgement that I would have a hard time here. But with my hard work and my teachers' guidance and my friends' support and my family's support, I was able to complete it in a really well way. And moreover, my friends, they helped me along the way. They kept cheering me up because I had to finish all the internal assignments, the TOK essay, the extended essay, apart from preparing for the final exams, much more faster and in a short amount of time, only 4 months than other students. But my friends kept cheering me up, say, you're smart, you're gonna be able to do that. Even though like I was feeling a bit cheered up, but I was still nervous. But hopefully, as I'm sitting here right now in my graduation day, I'm really happy that I've completed the course in a really nice way. Definitely. The day I came to visit EPS was a bit awkward for me because not only was I considering going to a faith-based school, but it was also coming back from US. So it's like pressure upon pressure for me. But when I talked to the principal, when I talked to Umar sir, Javed sir, the principal, Shaila ma'am, the DP coordinator, I was relieved. Like they were not questioning me in any way. They were just saying, you're going to have a nice time here. You do not need to worry about being from a different faith anymore. And that touched me. So I decided I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to give it 10 days, see how it goes, and then decide if I'm suitable over here. So I gave it 10 days, and I'm going to admit right here, it took me less than 5 days to decide that I'm going to stay here. I had no trouble adapting to the school because my friends, when they went for their morning and their evening prayers, I was not asked to go along with them. So not only did I not have to feel awkward, but I was doing covering up my leftover work from IB diploma, which was necessary time being for me. But moreover, they also respect my faith a lot. They do not ask me to do anything that might make me feel uncomfortable or say any such words. And I really appreciate that about my friends and my teacher, that they consider me coming from a different faith and they take appropriate actions for that.